This video is featured by my dog Johnny. Say hi Johnny, hi Johnny. Welcome back everybody to my brand new cryptocurrency video. My name is Cryptomania. I have been passionate crypto enthusiast for about 2 years now and have earned over $10,000 with pre-sales like these. Thanks also for watching today's video. Now before we get started guys, if you are new to my channel, make sure that you always hit the subscribe button and the notification bell down below so you don't miss any of my daily uploads. Let me also know your thoughts down below in the comment section, and I of course do my best to answer every one of you. And now let's get right into it guys. This is a very cool game. Today we wanna look at this cool game with the name Game of Dragons. Let's first look at the trailer.
It started with a game of dragons, and then things changed.
Very cool dragons.
The dragons would not be limited. The gold rain has begun.
Gold rain, ooh.
Earn while you play.
Also when it's raining gold,
The
and
battle is on.
it will be real tokens.
Collect rewards from other players. Breed and hatch dragons for top-tier NFTs.
You can breed dragons.
And much more to come.
On 4th September. So it is not long time to wait for it. Now let's check how the play to earn is working. Gold rain. It is more like a gameplay video, I think. Ah, gold rain. Now I understand. So you see, it's raining gold. How to take the gold? They don't show now. Oh. Okay. How to play to earn. Play to earn is activated in every game on 4th September. Every new player will receive 300 dragon gold to play 3 matches for free. And each game all players put up 100 dragon gold, and during the match you can collect dragon gold from defeating enemy players on the gold train. If you lose all your dragon gold, you can continue playing by exchanging your god token for more dragon gold. There is no limit to how many matches you can play. Each match requires at least 3 players. Each match will take 20 minutes. Okay, this is how play to earn is working. What else can we say about this project? We have the NFT marketplace is coming, weekly NFTs, breeding system. Here we have the roadmap. Let's check how the breeding system is working. Breeding Season 1. Players require 2 of any breeding able dragons to start breeding. Breeding time is 7 days for all breeding pairs. Breeding Tier 1. When players breed, they will first get randomly any of these dragons until they have all Tier 1 dragons. Breeding tier 2. When players breeded all dragons from tier 1, they will be able to breed tier 2 dragons. Okay, this is the breeding system. What else can we say about the game? Game of Dragons is a project based on unique 3D play-to-earn NFT MMO, launching on Ethereum network, being multi-chain project. Additional blockchains like Wax being next. 3D open world dungeon-based MMO releasing September 4th with unique play-to-earn mechanics, unique NFT breeding system, stacking system at launch, ecosystem expansion by influential partnerships in place. They have audit KYC in Safu, anti-whale system, anti-bot system. Let's enjoy the flight dragons. What else we have here? Unlock time of the coins is October, 1st October, I think. Yes. Okay, what else can we say? We have here the community, more than 4,000 members, that is good. So we have safe audit and KYC, so this is a safe project. The launch is on 4th September. So this is all you have to know. The pre-sale ends in 1 day and they have collected already more than 10 Ethereum, so I think they can reach the soft cap. I think they will reach the soft cap. I'm very interested in this project and I really will know how it goes on. But what you guys think of this coin? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. What do you guys think about this whole project in general? What do you guys think is gonna happen? Let me know your thoughts in the comments and I will give my best to get back to you. Thanks so much for watching today's video. My name is Cryptomania and I hope to see you all guys in my next video. I highly recommend you to watch here the next video on the right side, guys. Project 050 is one of the coolest projects and most creative projects I have ever seen.